Yeah. You hear that? That's what happens when they fail to stop us. They try fear, try debt, try shame, try to program us to play that game. But once you see it, you don't go back. Once you wake up, you don't stay chained. They said stay small, I said watch me grow. Said know your place, I said hell no. Every hit just hardened my frame. Pressure made diamonds, pain made flame. I watched them panic when the veil got thin. When the quiet ones started questioning. They don't fear rage, they fear unity. They fear minds moving simultaneously. If you feel this beat and